Diet sodas are a common, healthier alternative to their sugary counterparts due to their low calories. However, the long-term consequences of their consumption makes diet sodas a not-so-healthy option. Did you know that? If you know someone who prefers to drink diet soda because of the calories, share this video with them. Let's see 6 effects of diet soda on your health. Bad for the teeth. Soda is one of the main culprits of dental erosion, that is, the wear of the protective layer of teeth. And sugar isn't the only one responsible for it. The acids present in the formula of diet sodas also erode the teeth's enamel, leading to sensitivity and even gingivitis and cavities. Increases headaches and migraines. As reported by studies, aspartame can be a trigger for headaches and migraines in some people. According to the patients analyzed, aspartame can be considered a trigger 3 times bigger than for patients with other types of headaches, such as alcohol or simple carbs consumption. Causes high blood pressure. A study determined that people who frequently drink diet soda are more prone to developing high blood pressure due to all the additives, including high amounts of sodium. Causes kidney diseases. Observational studies point to the relationship between drinking diet soda and the development or worsening of kidney diseases. Did you know that? Researchers explain that the high levels of phosphorus found in sodas increase the acid load on the kidneys. However, they highlight that more studies are needed. Causes cardiovascular diseases. A study has also observed a relationship between regular diet soda consumption and cardiovascular diseases. The vascular condition, cholesterol levels, and body mass index of each participant were taken into consideration. Researchers found that those who drank diet soda daily had 43% more chances of suffering from cardiovascular issues than those who didn't drink soda. Harms liver function. One of the dangers of excessive consumption of sugary sodas is hepatic steatosis, the buildup of fat in the liver that may evolve into cirrhosis. The sugar ingested is stored by the liver and released into the bloodstream as fatty acids, basically fat cells. Our body absorbs the fatty acids in many organs, including the liver. Now tell us, did you know the harms of diet soda? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.